Hi, in this video I will show you how to remove green background in CapCut. As you can see this video with green color ... let single quotes s remove. First of all select video then click video CapCut. Then check the Chrome key then click near Chrome key and hover mouse to green color. Here the right side you increase the effect for removing green background. As you can see the background has been changed. You can drag object anywhere now. I hope this video is helpful. That's all for today. See you next video with another useful tutorial. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.